Mathematics is an important part of our daily lives. It touches on so many aspects of our daily living, such as home budgeting, planning an outing, and cooking.
In fact, it's rare to find an occupation that doesn't use math in some way.
Animator, electrician, and photographer.
What is unmistakable is that mathematical understanding is an essential lifelong skill. We also know that it can be a subject that is both challenging and engaging for elementary and secondary students alike.
We need to teach our students to enjoy problem solving in mathematics and to have a growth mindset when it comes to developing their understanding of mathematical concepts and skills. This is a partnership between home and school. Think of it in this context. We all know the value of reading to our children at night, so we also need to find ways to include math in various ways at home within their daily routine. So how do we do this? How do we at the Halton District School Board help our students, parents, and staff feel supported in mathematical teaching and learning in order to maximize student achievement and best prepare our students for tomorrow?
The Ontario Ministry of Education has introduced in early years to grade 12 renewed math strategy to support the provincial goal of having at least 75% of elementary students achieve a level 3 or higher on provincial assessments in reading, writing, and math. It outlines a number of goals, including increasing parent engagement in mathematics learning because students are more likely to develop an interest in and enthusiasm for math if parents and guardians do the same. 300 minutes per week of protected math learning time in grades 1 to 8. Up to 3 math lead teachers in all elementary schools. Better access to online math resources and supports such as homework help or SOS devoirs. Opportunities for educators to deepen their knowledge and skills, including a dedicated math PD day in all of our elementary schools.
Overall, the renewed math strategy is a response to provincial EQAO results in mathematics. This data, in general, suggests a greater focus on mathematics teaching and learning is needed for students in Ontario. That said, Halton District School Board students continue to show results above the provincial results based on 2015-16 EQAO data. While student achievement in the Halton District School Board continues to surpass that of the province, we know that there is still work to be done, and much of this work has already started. We are committed to helping each of our students to develop the confidence, understanding, and skills needed to achieve success in mathematics.
A key focus for us has been our new multi-year plan, released in September 2016. This multi-year plan sets targets for students, staff, and system, targets that we strive to meet by 2020. Part of this plan is focused on math.
As we move forward, we continue to refine our instructional strategies for teaching mathematics. Math learning is about students working flexibly with numbers, enabling them to do mental computations efficiently. It is also about exploring relationships between numbers, leading to a deeper conceptual understanding. We want to see our students persevering with challenging math tasks, building critical thinking skills, and communicating their mathematical thinking and problem-solving approach. We want our students to not just do math, we want them to understand, apply, and communicate math.
We are only just getting started in explaining how we're working hard to continue to address math instruction in meaningful, innovative, and exciting ways. Later this spring, we will bring you a more detailed examination of some of the strategies we're using to support staff and students in the teaching, learning, and assessment of mathematics. This will include an overview of applied institutes, Dreambox learning, number talks, instructional rounds, and much more. We will be inviting you into the classroom to see this work in action. And then, looking even further ahead, in the 2017-18 school year, we will also be sharing with you a host of practical ideas and activities to help support your child's math learning at home.
By adding the expertise of our staff, the support of families, and our collective commitment to our learners, we are confident that the answer to today's math challenge will be successful, confident, and engaged students.